So your OCD comes with this piece of Tegris. This is a flexible laminated plastic material that's going to fold over here, get attached, and then you can clip a carabiner or other attachment to that to attach this to your gear. So I'm going to take my Tegris adapter. You actually have two different size holes. There are larger ones and slightly smaller ones. You want the larger ones in the back for the screw posts to go up through, and then the smaller ones in the front for the screws to go down through. So I'm going to fold this over from back to front so I have those larger holes in the back and I can feed my screw posts up through them. And then I'm going to take a screw. You usually want to start these by hand going through the front so you can get it to grip a little bit, and then you can use a drill driver or just a normal screwdriver to secure those down. And then the same thing on the other side. Get it started, and then once it's started, use my driver or screwdriver. You can also use thread locker on those screws to make sure that that doesn't come apart. And then it's ready to attach a carabiner, anything else to get that to attach to your gear.